Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to create a scatter plot within Tableau. So for this, we're going to need one dimension and we're going to need two measures. So let's go ahead and figure out which ones we want to use. So just having gone through and created this, I think that subcategory is going to give us enough dimensions to show how a scatter plot is supposed to work. And then I am going to go by quantity and let's say profit here as well. That's going to be our other measure. Now let's go over here to the show me pane and then select single scatter plot, double click on that. And I'm gonna get out of that. But as you can see here, now we have a scatter plot that will show us our various different subcategories and how they did on profit versus quantity. So of course, the more up and to the right you go, the better that it was as far as profit and quantity went, and the lower down here into the negative is not so great. So this could be really helpful for understanding certain pieces of information, such as, hey, what products should we not stock anymore? Or what should we do to make sure that our profit margins are going up instead of down? And maybe these are loss leaders of things that help our customers know what are things that help our customers know that they can get into the door and be loyal to our brand. When I think of a loss leader, I think of Costco's chickens, where they're really cheap, the rotisserie chickens that they have, and it's one thing that helps get customers in the door. Now, maybe that's the case for these, and maybe that's a data set that you want to keep out or that you would want to then filter out to show other things. But that's kind of getting beyond the weeds of this. Just make sure that when you are creating a scatter plot chart, that you are creating it towards the question that you're trying to answer when you are creating your visualization. So they want to see, hey, what are our most profitable subcategories of products that we are selling, and what is that based upon their quantity? Then that would be a great scatter plot to show them for that question. But I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Call MBA. I am a LinkedIn learning instructor over there, so you can check out the courses over there. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.